Hey Tanya, how's it going? I'm out here in Stillwater Ranch checking out the home on Trail Dust, and I'm starting here because I wanted to give you a good idea of how close the amenity center, that is a pool with some bathrooms. It's a very nicely large pool. The cool thing about Stillwater is that this community has two amenity centers. So this is kind of the smaller one and just has a pool. The other one, a couple minutes down the street, is pool, tennis courts, basketball courts. That one looks a lot more, it's that one's the full package, and it's all part of the same neighborhood, Stillwater Ranch. And the listing is the first one on this street, so you also have easy access to the main road, but it's not such a busy road, it's just the main road of the neighborhood. Huge side yard, so typically the space in between homes is about 10 feet. Right here you have at least 20 feet on the side. And this is the beautiful 3-car garage, 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom home. Let's check it out. And I guess I should note that there's a paved walkway to the backyard here. So it just stops at the AC, but it's pretty cool for the trash can and recycling bin. So yeah, you've got an empty lot almost in front there, so you really kind of only have one neighbor to the front. Amenity center, pool. So this home doesn't have a pool, but you have the pool within, not even 3 minutes, like a minute walking distance. So just wanted to point that out. Don't mind me if I sound a little out of breath. It's currently 104 degrees right now. So that's fun. Nice entrance. You got an 8-foot entrance door with a side window and the top little arched window there. We've got the first full bathroom. Tile throughout the entire first floor except the one bedroom that is in this bedroom and the primary bedroom. This is going to be the first bedroom. In the corner of the house with these windows just letting in all the light. Super, super nice. This is really cool. It was built in 2019. This was a very nicely maintained home. Just to give you an idea, from the entrance, you get a little bit of a preview into the loft up there. So that's fun. Got the dining room. Nice chandelier there too. And you go in through this kind of butler's pantry / hallway. Instead of a pantry though, like a huge pantry to the left, you have the utility room for the washer, dryer, and pantry right there. But still a nice little hallway that you can kind of, separating the dining room from the kitchen. So looking at the kitchen now, kind of like that other home. We've got the 2 little windows here. Really cool. And the nice thing about this is that you have 2 little windows here to bring some light into the home, and you don't have a neighbor right next to you. It's open because there's no houses. There's a street, and then there's the amenity center with the pool. So that's really, really cool, in my opinion. Yep. This is it. You got the stairs going up and the entrance to the primary bedroom. There's also a covered patio out here. Nice row of windows. let's check out the primary bedroom. So, yeah, I know I've mentioned a couple of times, I used to live in this neighborhood. When we moved out this past summer, we just moved to the neighborhood right across the street. So this is Stillwater Ranch. We moved to Davis Ranch because we love the area. My wife and I love the area so much, and we know that this is where we want to put down our roots. There's a ton of great schools in the area. That's something that we're starting to, consider and have in mind. So all that to say that you really can't go wrong with this area. And out of all the places we could have moved to in San Antonio, we chose to stay really close, just move down the road. And yeah, our house was 1,700 square feet in Stillwater Ranch. So this is not the, this is 3,000 square feet. This is huge. Our house didn't have a 3-car garage, but this one does. It's super nice. Toilet right there. And really spacious walk-in closet. And there is carpet in the closet in the room, but not in the this area here. So pretty cool walk-in shower and everything. That is very nice. So let's go ahead and check out upstairs. Very open foyer entryway. It's nice. So up here, we've got this kind of layout. That's the that would be the third full bathroom so far. This is the third bedroom. The loft slash game room area is pretty nice. Pretty spacious. Got a little walkway, and the final 4th and 5th bedrooms. This is cool. This is really cool. The final 2 bedrooms share a Jack and Jill bathroom. So that is very, very nice. And the closet here, that's a huge closet actually. And it locks on both sides. Each person has their own separate vanity. And you come out. Boom. That is cool. That is super cool. So that was 4 full bathrooms. Yeah, 4 full bathrooms. That is super cool. Stillwater Ranch. The nice thing about this area too is that there are a couple of nice walking trails close by, like nature trails. And you have a really huge backyard. So, let me know what you think. Remember, we got the pool within walking distance.